Matrix transpose in Python. I am trying to create a matrix transpose function for Python, but I can't seem to make it work. Say I have. And I want my function to come up with. So in other words, if I were to print this 2D array as columns and rows, I would like the rows to turn into columns and columns into rows. I made this so far, but it doesn't work.
Python 2, Python 3, The list generator creates a new 2D array with list items instead of tuples.
If your rows are not equal, you can also use map. Edit. In Python 3 the functionality of map changed, itertools.zip_longest can be used instead. Source: What's new in Python 3.0?
Much easier with NumPy.
If you want to set